So we're here today at Venture on Broadway. It's Demolition Day. In fact, one of the buildings in this whole strip area is getting demolished all the way down to the ground. So let's go see where they've gotten started.
So we're now about 9 months into our redevelopment since acquiring the property on Broadway, and we're finally seeing some visual work taking place. There's been a lot of work behind the scenes in terms of entitlements, getting our site plan approved, but now we're getting to the point where we're actually starting physical construction. We've demolished the 722 building. We've done that in order to make room for the dual stack drive-through for Dunkin' Donuts. This allows us to get a great lease with a fantastic tenant. So now the next step for us is finalizing our contract with the general contractor that's going to be doing our portion of the work on the 764 building that houses Dunkin' Donuts. So what we're going to be doing is a lot of the utility services, the actual structure of the building, the storefront, glass, drive-through lane, all the site work, all the paving that's included, the landscaping, etc. Probably 4 to 6 months worth of work. Once that construction is complete, the next component is leasing out the vacant suite. So now that the 722 building has been demolished, the exposure from the road is vastly improved. So now is when we're going to really start pushing potential users to look at our space. Once that's done, our work is pretty much completed. At that point, we're essentially a stabilized property, and we can look to maximizing our value by selling to an investor at the end. Now that we've got the heavy construction starting on Broadway, keep an eye out for regular updates on all of our social media platforms. And also, we've got some exciting projects in the works, so watch your emails as well for updates on those. Thanks again, and we'll talk to you soon.